Welcome to the online training session. I am your science teacher Kimi. I am going to teach you your chapter number 5th, that is teeth and microbes. These are the contents of the chapter. Different kinds of teeth. We have 4 types of teeth. I am explaining in the video. Incisor, canines, premolars, molars, then structure of tooth, internal structure of tooth, and then the next topic is care for your teeth. How can you care? And next, microbes and germs. Okay, the first topic is types of teeth. What are the types of teeth? There are 2 types of teeth, temporary teeth and the permanent teeth. Firstly, I am going to teach you temporary teeth. Like you can see here, this is small baby. This baby have only 2 teeth here, 2 teeth here. These are temporary teeth. Then what are temporary teeth? Temporary teeth which are growing in the child's mouth when child is up to 6 or 7 months old. And these are only 20 teeth. These are growing up to 3-year-old child, and when the child start growing, the teeth are falling down, and then the temporary teeth are going and the permanent teeth are coming in. Like you can see here, teeth start to grow after a child is 6 to 7 months old. As you can see here, this is small baby, small child. These have only 4 teeth in his mouth. These are temporary teeth. Okay, keep going with the child age. एंड बाय द टाइम द चाइल्ड इज़ 3-year-old, जब जो बेबी है 3 years old हो जाएगा ना, उसके बाद उसके माउथ में 20 टीथ हो जाते हैं. उसके बाद ये टीथ स्लोली गिरने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट अप टू 6-year-old न्यू टीथ स्टार्ट कमिंग. दोज आर परमानेंट टीथ. सेकेंड टाइप ऑफ टीथ है परमानेंट टीथ. जब कोई बच्चा 6 और 7-year-old हो जाता है तो temporary teeth start falling down and permanent teeth are coming in the mouth. These are permanent teeth. जो पूरी life long हमारे साथ रहते हैं ना, these are permanent teeth. And we have 32 permanent teeth in a mouth, 20 temporary teeth and 32 permanent teeth. Around the age of 6 years, milk teeth start falling and temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. Milk teeth start falling and new teeth start appearing. मिल्क टीथ गिरने लगते हैं, उनके प्लेस पर न्यू टीथ आते हैं. दोज आर परमानेंट टीथ. नेक्स्ट वी हैव टाइप्स ऑफ टूथ. ए मेच्योर पर्सन और ए ग्रोइंग पर्सन हैविंग 32 टीथ इन हिज माउथ. लाइक आई एम हैविंग 32 टीथ इन माई माउथ एंड दीज टीथ 32 टीथ, दीज आर परमानेंट टीथ. एंड परमानेंट टीथ आर फर्दर ऑफ 4 टाइप्स: incisors, canines, molars and premolars. We have 4 type of teeth: incisors, canines, molars and premolars. You can see here, this is mouth, beautiful mouth is here, and this is a set of tooth. This is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. Okay, this is upper jaw and this is lower jaw. Okay, and the front 4 teeth, as I marked here, these are incisors, and here also these 4 front teeth are incisors. 4 incisors are here and 4 incisors are here. Then total we have 8 incisors. Total we have 8 incisors. We have 8 incisors, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. The total incisor in our mouth, that are 8 incisors are present in our mouth. Incisor help in biting anything, biting food or biting apple or biting anything. These are incisors. Teeth present in the center of each jaw. Each jaw, हर एक इंसान के माउथ में जो सेंटर में 4 टीथ प्रेजेंट होते हैं, सेंटर में फ्रंट टीथ, these are incisors. 4 front teeth in the upper jaw, 4 front teeth in the lower jaw, these are incisors. Next, we have 4 incisors in each jaw, then we have total 8 incisors. Next, these are helping in biting or cutting food. So here our next topic is canine. What are canines? Anybody knows what are canines? So look at the beautiful mouth again. Okay, these 4 are the incisors. As I already explained you, these 4 front teeth, these are incisors, and the teeth next to incisors, the teeth next to incisor. जैसे हमारे माउथ में 4 क्या है, इंसीजर है ना, इंसीजर के इस साइड और इस साइड, अपर एंड लोअर जॉ, बोथ जॉ में जो टीथ लगे हुए हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं, कैनाइन्स. ओके, दीज आर कैनाइन्स. सी दीज 4 आर इंसीजर्स. I already explained you, these 4 are incisors. In lower jaw also, these 4 are incisors. Okay, the teeth next to incisors the teeth next to incisor, these are canines. देखो इसके साथ में क्या joined है, this one, this one, this one and this one, these four are canines. And you can see here these are 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 4 canines. So this is the picture of canine. We have 4 canine in our mouth, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. अब हमारे पास कितने टूथ हो गए हैं टोटल कितने टीथ हैं, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. अभी तक मैंने कितने बताए हैं, 12 में से 8 are incisor, 4 are canines. Okay, and canines are help in tearing the food. These helps in tearing the food. Food को छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में डिवाइड करने में हेल्प करते हैं. ओके, these are canines. Next we have premolars. Now look at the picture. The tooth next two teeth after the canine, these are premolars. 2 teeth next to canine, these are premolars. As I already explained you, teeth next to incisor, these are canines, and teeth next to canine, these are premolars. This is the lower jaw. These are firstly front teeth incisor, then we have this canine, this is canine, these 4 are incisors, and here also canine, and next 2 teeth are premolars. 2 premolars are here and 2 premolars with next canine. So we have 4 premolars in one jaw. So total we have 2 jaw. Then 4 premolar in one jaw, and total we have 8 premolars. Okay, total we have 8 premolars. And premolars help in cracking and chewing the food. Food को चबा के खाने में हमारी हेल्प करते हैं कौन, premolars. Okay, next we have molars. The last teeth of our mouth are known as molars. Firstly incisor, next to incisor we have canine, next to canine we have premolars, next to premolars we have molars. Okay, we have, you can see here, we have total 3 molars here, 3 here and 6 here, then total we have 12 molars. Okay, as I already explained you, these are front teeth, these are incisor, next we have this canine, next these 2 are premolars. Okay, these are incisor, then next canine, next 2 are premolars, next 3 are molars. Then in here also these are molars, these are premolars. Okay, these are canines, these 2 are canines, then the front tooth are incisors. So you can add and you can get the total 32 teeth. Okay, I am explaining here. Like you have 8 incisors, then next 4 canines, then next 8 premolars, and next you have 12 molars. Add this one, 8 plus 4 12, 12 and 8 20, 20 and 12 32. As I already told you, we have 32 permanent teeth in a mouth. So these are molars, then 2 premolar, then 1 canine and 4 incisor. Okay, we have 2 jaw. In one jaw we have 16 teeth. Total we have 32 teeth in our mouth. If mature person have 32 teeth, adult mature person like your parents have 32 teeth in their mouth, but you don't have 32 teeth because you are growing. This is your growing age. At the age of approximately 20-22, you will get 32 teeth. And adult or mature person have 32 teeth in his mouth. These are the types of teeth. Then next we have structure of tooth. I'll explain with the diagram what is the structure of tooth. The visible part of a tooth, that is known as crown of the tooth, and the crown is embedded in the gum, that part is known as root. You can see here this part of the tooth, this part of tooth, this is gum. Here also, as I already told you, the part of the tooth that is embedded in the gum, that is known as root of the tooth. So this part is the root of the tooth. The visible part of the tooth, that is known as this one, that is known as crown. This part is crown. and here we have so many nerves in the tooth. Next part of the tooth is enamel. What is enamel? Enamel is the hardest part of the body. आई थिंक आप लोगों को अभी तक यही लगता होगा ना हमारी बॉडी में सबसे हार्ड पार्ट कौन सा है? बोन्स. बट नो, enamel is harder than bones also. Enamel part of the tooth is harder than bones also. Okay, this is enamel. Because of enamel, our tooth is so much strong. Next we have pulp. What is pulp? Pulp is the soft part of the tooth. Pulp is soft part of the tooth. What is the pulp? Pulp is soft part of tooth. और pulp के inside क्या होता है? Nerves होती हैं, ठीक है, blood vessels होती हैं जो हमारे mouth को, हमारे teeth को, हमारी body के साथ join करती हैं. Nerves and blood vessels. Okay. I have explained 4 parts of the tooth that are root, crown, dentine, and next enamel, and next we have pulp of the tooth. A part of each tooth embedded in the gum, that is known as root, and the visible part of the tooth is known as crown. Visible part of the tooth is known as crown. The crown is covered with the hard white substance known as enamel. जो हमारे पास tooth होता है उसके ऊपर ये white covering होती है ना, that is enamel. And the next part of tooth that is not visible to us, that is root. And next, the soft part of the tooth is known as pulp. Encloses inside dentine is a soft part of the tooth is called as pulp. Next, caring of your tooth. Firstly, you have to brush regularly. You have to brush daily. You have to brush twice a day. And you have to avoid eat chocolates and so many sweets. I know आप लोगों में से बहुत सारे बच्चे too much chocolates खाते होंगे. You are eating too much chocolates ना, but you have to avoid chocolates. And next, you have to visit dentist also, and you have to clean your tongue regularly. You have to rinse your mouth twice or thrice a day. In this way, you can take care of your teeth. Next, we have microbes. What are microbes? Microbes are the tiny particles, small particles. जो particles हम देख नहीं सकते आइस के साथ, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Microbes. Small particles. तो फिर आप लोग हम मुझसे कहोगे, मैम how can we see these particles? कैसे देखेंगे? Under the microscope. Therefore, these are known as microorganisms also. क्योंकि ये हमें क्या है माइक्रोस्कोप के अंदर ही नजर आएंगे ना, that's why these are also known as microorganisms और microbes. टाइनी पार्टिकल्स होते हैं ना, इसलिए इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? माइक्रोब्स. और क्या होते हैं? इनके बहुत सारी टाइप्स होती है हमारे पास. वी हैव सो मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रोब्स. These microbes causes us many disease like common cold, okay, like typhoid and so many disease also. Next we have types of microbes. Virus क्या करता है? Virus causes common cold. जुकाम होता है ना हमें, this is causing by viruses. इनको हम देख नहीं सकते नेक डाई से. How can we see? We have to see under the microscope. Okay. Next, bacteria. Bacteria causes typhoid. Next we have fungi. Fungi causes ringworm infection. And next we have protozoa. Protozoa causes us malaria. How malaria coming to us? When a mosquito biting us, then we will having malaria. एक mosquito होता है ना, अगर उस मॉस्किटो के जो नीचे लेग्स होती हैं जहाँ ये उसका डंग होता है उसमें मलेरिया कॉजिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म होंगे, वो हमारी स्किन पे बैठेगा तो वो सारे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारी बॉडी में छोड़ देगा. इस तरह हमें मलेरिया हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू यूजफुल माइक्रोब्स. ओके, लेट्स इमेजिन वी हैव मिल्क एट आवर होम. वी हैव सो मच मिल्क एट आवर होम. टेक दैट मिल्क फॉर ओवरनाइट and in the next morning you will get the milk spoiled, full spoiled. मिल्क पूरा खराब हो जाएगा. But if you are adding little amount of curd in the milk and leave it for overnight, then the milk will convert into curd. अगर आप रात को थोड़ी सी कर्ड मिल्क में मिक्स करके रख दोगे ना सुबह तक, तो सुबह वो कर्ड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. सो व्हाई इट विल हैपन? ये कैसे होगा और क्यों हुआ जी? बिकॉज ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. जो हमने थोड़ा सा उसमें कर्ड डाला था, दैट कर्ड हैविंग सो मच माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. दीज आर लैक्टोबैसिलस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. दैट कर्ड हैव लैक्टोबैसिलस in that little amount, and we have mixing that in milk, then milk will convert into curd. Whole milk convert into curd. So these are the useful microbes that are helping us in so many purposes. Okay, like we have some bacteria help make curd and cheese out of milk. मिल्क में से कर्ड और चीज़ बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट Certain bacteria living in our stomach help us to digest our food. Some bacteria also help us to digest our food. We are using some bacteria to make medicines, like we are preparing penicillin with the help of microorganisms. Okay, these are the useful microbes. Okay, penicillin is the antibiotic that people taking for some disease. These are the useful purpose of the microorganism. And regarding this chapter, I will send you chapter notes and the worksheet later. Okay, if you have any problem regarding this chapter, you can call me personally. You can ask me anytime. Regarding this chapter, we already uploaded one animation video, so watch that one also. Okay, thank you.